Two engines, yeah. Look at that. So which curve was that 53 on? It was this curve, or should be right on the rock wall, I would think. The other ones were. You said to the left side. Let me see the map.
Maybe.
Fish hatchery. Gopper's residence site. You know, it's going to be Gopper's residence site is going to be on the right. The sign should be on the left. I think I see that Goppers right there. I see that flat land. There's almost a road right there. Pardon me?
There's a green marker.
Right. That might be it. That's what we're going to do. We're heading over to that side right now. Because you see the current is going to come around this bend. So the heaviest is where we're at right now. You know, the heaviest current. So we're going to go to that side over there, follow that side. See the road? So we're wanting to get to like 63-ish. We could have put more batteries in here. I'm sure. I have them too. We're gonna see how far. We might be taking this another trip tomorrow. Here, catch it. Excuse me. I might go out and buy another one of these engines. Keep them both going at the same time. Then instead of 50-pound thrust, you're 100-pound thrust. Should get there twice as fast. That's 53 right there. It says.
Isn't that 65 horsepower? Is that the same as the thrust?
Huh?
Horsepower?
50-pound thrust.
No, 65. Is that the max here?
That's for horsepower. That's not thrust.
That's what I meant here. That's not thrust.
And I'm pretty sure it's got to be. The most 65 horses are you got to mix the oil and the gas. You know, they don't allow that here. It's got to be a 4-stroke, and they sell them at Camping World and whatnot. They sell them up there.
So that took 26 minutes.
We'll say 25, because I've been doing a lot of zigzagging and not paying attention and whatnot, you know. I'm curious how long this is gonna last. The battery. That's gonna be the key. gonna be shit out of luck on this, huh? Toss it. Oh, you suck at tossing shit. I really have to learn you, dear. I'm slick as a damn eel right now. Can't even grab it on my legs.
I know. That's the way I keep putting my hands in the water.
Boy, this is the way to do this, though, huh? You get to see everything. It's like hiking on the water.
Yeah.
Better than kayaking, because there's not that constant. Because I'm telling you, after 8 hours, it gets a little old. You know? After 2 hours, it gets a little old. Well, we're about to hit that thing there. Don't you know how to drive? So the next mile marker jobber is gonna be 54, of course. That's where the catwalk is.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. If this thing makes it if one battery makes it 3 miles, we should have enough. We might be drifting back, but
Better to drift back.
yeah. I got my 5mm with me. And that jacket will help you keep your back from getting all sunburned too.
Yeah.
You know, really. Me, I welcome it. I do. Doesn't hurt me at all. I've gone into stores so full of paint, it's not even funny. I mean, just my whole face is nothing covered but fucking paint. Well, you turn this thing just a hair, and it moves big ways. We point a whole complete different direction. We could have put the hell, we could put the cameras on the front of the piece of wood and then the motors along the sides of those pieces of wood. You understand? So the trolling motors are right here. You know? I don't know that these are accurate mile markers here, to be honest. Because if you look at some, they're a lot farther spanned apart than some of the others, you know. So there should be, the next 54 should be, I think, on the right side. If I'm not mistaken, I see something red up there. Right in front of us, see it? By those buoys. What does that look like? That look like one of those numbers? How far are those kayakers behind us?
Can't even see them. Oh, I see two.
That yellow one?
I can't
Feel the wind?
They're so far behind.
We're gonna go on this side ASAP. Feel which way the wind's blowing us? That's also fighting us. Those are issues that you have to work out. Like when you go to captain school, you're fighting the wind, you're fighting the current, and you're heading a certain direction. You understand? And it gives you all the information. You got a 13-mile-an-hour wind going at such and such.